Stop paying for what you don't use. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to cancel your YouTube TV subscription. Welcome to One-Click Guides. I'm Roberto. Navigating the cancellation process correctly is key to avoiding unexpected charges. With recent price increases, many users are looking for an exit. We'll make it quick and painless in 3 simple steps. In this guide, we'll cover membership settings, the pause versus cancel trap, and final verification. Step 1. Navigate to tv.youtube.com on your desktop browser. This is the most reliable way to ensure success. Once you're signed in, look for your profile photo in the top right corner. This is your gateway to all account settings. Click your profile photo and select Settings from the drop-down. You'll be taken to your account overview. Now look at the left sidebar. You'll see a membership tab. This is where your active plans are listed. Click on Manage next to your base plan. You'll see 2 options, Pause and Cancel. Choose carefully here. Be careful, pausing only suspends payments temporarily. To stop charges permanently, you must select Cancel Membership. Step 2. Navigate the retention screens. YouTube will ask why you're leaving. Select a reason and click Continue. You might be offered a discount to stay. If you're sure about leaving, decline the offer to reach the final step. Step 3. Click Yes, Cancel on the final confirmation screen. Your access continues until the end of your billing cycle. Crucial tip. Check your email immediately for a confirmation from Google. If it's not there, the process didn't finish. To recap, go to Settings, select Membership, click Manage, and finally, confirm your cancellation. It's that simple. You've now successfully secured your account from future charges without any hidden resumptions. For more high-value tech tutorials and high retention guides, subscribe to One-Click Guides right now. I'm Roberto, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.